Welcome back, students. We're in lesson 15 today, and we're going to talk about elimination. We've already discussed substitution as a method where you could solve a linear equation by solving for one of the variables and substituting in that expression and then solving the problem. Now we're going to talk about the process of elimination in regards to having two comparative linear equations. So let's say, for instance, we have this set of linear equations. In this situation, we want to be able to get rid of a pair. And the easiest way to do that is to have a variable base in each of the expressions with the same value. So we're going to multiply this times 2, and I'm just going to write it below so that we could see it. 2 times 2x is going to be 4x. 2 times a positive 1y is going to be a positive 2y. And 2 times 11 is going to be 22. Alright, so this was our original, and now we've multiplied it by 2, and now we have a negative 2y and a positive 2y. So we're just going to treat this like it is an addition problem, and we're going to let these cancel out. Negative and positive, same value for the base of y. Now we just combine everything else, so that's going to give us 7x equals 28. And then we divide like normal, x is equal to 4. Now all we have to do is sub in x for one of these and get our value for y. So let's use the top one. 2 times 4 is x plus y equals 11. It's going to be 8 plus y equals 11. Y is going to be equal to 3, and so our answer would be 4 and 3. And we could always test out our answers to make sure that they're correct. We could sub in here 3x, so it'd be 12, minus 2y, that'd be 6, equals 6. And that's correct. So we solved it correctly, and that is our answer. So let's do some example problems to talk about this just a little bit further and get you in the habit of using elimination as a method to solve linear equations. So we have one practice problem, and it is 3x plus 2y equals 23. Sorry, this is 15.1. And we have negative 2x plus 3y equals 2. So you have to make some decisions. You have to decide, okay, which variable am I going to use? Both of them have a 3 and a 2. However, the x variable already has a negative and a positive. So it'd be a lot easier to do the x variable to eliminate it. So why don't we multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 3 so we can eliminate this set of variables here. So it's going to give us 6x plus 4y equals 46. And then this is going to be negative 6x plus 9y equals 6. So we can eliminate that because this is positive, this is negative, they're the same constant, so they cancel. And this is going to be 13y. And this is going to be 52. And y is going to be equal to 4. So the first part of our answer, y is 4. Now we just sub in 4 for y. Let's do this one. Negative 2x plus 3 times y be 3 times 4, that would be 12, equals 2. Negative 2x equals negative 10. X equals 5. So 5 is our x and 4 is our y. And according to the book, I got that correct. So you can see how easy these are. You just have to figure out which variable you want to use. Obviously, you want to pick something that if there's already a negative there and you can multiply it to get to the other variable, or if you have to multiply both of them to get to a common constant with the variable, that's what you need to do. And if you don't have one that's already negative, then you have to make your constant that you're multiplying by negative so that you could swap the sign. Alright, that's all I have for lesson 15. I'll see you in lesson 16.